right, the basic tools you're going to need for this are a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and it does not have to be this big. This is just my favorite one, and a small set of pliers. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the engine cover off, and it's real simple. You have two 10mm nuts that secure it down here. I'm going to remove them with the 10mm socket and pull the engine cover off real quick. So your CCV valve is down here. It's orange, and it's going to look like this. And what it does is it has a spring and a valve inside that allows gases and certain oils to go back through the crankcase, and it's for ventilation. And this is your PCV valve. So we're going to have to remove this elbow first, and there's a little clamp on the bottom of this that you push back on, and this comes right out. And once it does, then it's easier to get to this one, and I'll show you the type of clamp that I am pushing on here in just a sec to remove these. So to remove them, you want to relieve pressure off this plastic clamp on both sides, and you just push backwards on it and you pull. All right, so we'll take a small pliers, and I'm going to grab the side of the CCV. Let me just demonstrate right here. I'm putting it down right here on this square edge, and I'm just gently grabbing on it and turning left, which is counterclockwise. And I'm going to just nudge it out, turn, and pull. And this is the stock one that has come out. I believe this is a revised one, and you'll know with the blue O-ring that comes on it. So we're going to go ahead and install this. It's very simple. Make sure you put it in and turn, and it's in place. Good to go. Now we're going to install this in reverse order. I'm going to put the PCV size in first, and then I'm going to put this on there. And make sure it's secured so it does not come out. And that's all it takes. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. There are some issues every once in a while where you hear a click or a ringing sound. I chased it down for 3 months on my truck and wasn't sure what was going on until I actually inspected, and turns out it's making a little bit of noise. Some noise is acceptable. It bothered me and I wanted to change it. I will leave the part number below. I hope I can get zoomed in on this for you if possible. If not, I will make sure to leave it in the description if you want to get yours replaced or you have any need to do so. I hope, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have a lot more videos coming in. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you next time.